And good morning, everybody. Hope that everyone's having a great morning so far. But today I'm going to be washing and waxing Bubba. He is actually very, very dirty. Pollen's all over him. But good news, the pollen seems to have finally stopped falling. So after I wash and wax him today, he should stay pretty clean. But I will be showing y'all as I wash my car. Like after I just wash my car and chamois it, I'm gonna show y'all the paint quality then. Then I'm gonna go ahead and wax it. Then I'm gonna show y'all the paint quality then as well. And I am shooting this in 4K just so y'all are able to see the best quality possible. But before I go ahead and wash and wax, I'm going to show you all the paint quality before. As you can see, the hood, it's just not very reflective at all. The fender's same thing. Really the entire car is just very dirty. The paint isn't as reflective as it usually is just because I haven't waxed it in a little while. But today is definitely going to change that. Over here in the corner you can see, you can see some scratches, just those smudges and everything like that. And all back here you can see all these just smudges, the pollen marks, all that kind of stuff. So my car, it's extremely dirty right now. Granted, this is just a week of pollen buildup pretty much and dirt buildup, but this car is going to look completely different after washing it and waxing it. Definitely compare the quality of the paint now to the way it's going to be at the end. It's going to be night and day difference, I guarantee you. But for the wax of choice today, I'm going to be using the Meguiars Gold Class Carnauba Plus Premium Liquid Wax. So basically I'm just using Meguiar's liquid wax to do my car. It's going to look really good. I've used this stuff before and that's why I'm using it again. But let's go ahead and get started. Today's a beautiful day, so I'm going to go ahead and wash, wax my car, drive somewhere, show it off. As far as my wash and wax, I'm a very basic person. I'm just using the Turtle Wax Max Power Car Wash right now. Nothing special, just a basic car wash and wax. And as far as what I'm going to be using to actually scrub my car, I'm going to be using a washcloth. And that's because I've always used washcloths. Me personally, I don't need any kind of fancy mitt or anything like that. The washcloths, they're cheap and they get into all those little nooks and crannies all over your car. And they're really, really good at washing your rims. So I don't need any fancy mitts. I just like using a washcloth. But I am going to go ahead and wash my car. I'm going to film the entire time while I'm washing it. But next time I'm actually going to talk is after I'm done drying it. And I just got done cleaning my car, and as you can see, my car doesn't look that bad, but there definitely is a big difference between this quality and it being waxed. So I'm going to go ahead and wax the entire car. I'm going to show y'all me waxing the hood, but I am going to wax the entire car, and then at the end of this video, I'm going to give you a walk around of my entire car already waxed, how good it looks. So this right here just shows you that you don't need to wax your car every time you go to a car show. Like me, I try to wax my car maybe 2 times a year, 1 time in the spring, so that's what I'm doing right now, and 1 time in the winter, which I already did. And one big note is that I actually already clay barred my entire hood. It was just the hood just because I've always wanted to clay bar my car and I didn't know what kind of results I would get if I did clay bar my car. So some people have told me to not clay bar my car because it can scratch your car. Some people have said go ahead and clay bar your car because you get way better results. So I figured I would just clay bar my hood and not clay bar the rest of my car just so I could see what kind of results I get when I do wax my car. Now I know that some of y'all are about to have a heart attack because this is not the way you're supposed to wax your car, but this is the way I've been waxing my car ever since I've been driving. So this has worked for me, so I'm going to keep doing it. So don't attack me in the comment section, which I know that a lot of y'all already will. But yeah, this is how I wax my car. Now with me even saying that, I'm sure I'm going to get attacked for me doing it like this, which I know that you're supposed to do it in small little sections, but me, I've always done it like this. It's worked good for me, so I'm going to keep doing it. Which pretty much how I'm doing it is I'm going all across the car and I'm going until I reach, these little areas of wax. If I need any more wax, I'll go up there, touch one of those little areas of wax, then keep going, which you can see right here. The little hazy area is the area where the wax is. The clear area is where I need to do. And then after I put wax all over the entire body part, which is the hood in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and let the wax dry, and then I'm gonna take it off using my other bonnet. Now I have already started taking off the wax in the majority of my hood. Right there towards the middle I still have a little bit, which you can see it's a little bit hazy. But I have already taken off the majority of the wax from the hood, which as you can see from the areas I've taken it off, it is just awesome. There is no swirls or anything in there, no scratches. Now aside from little chips like that, but for the rest of the hood, I am thoroughly impressed. And before this video is over, I'm actually gonna drive my car somewhere else, somewhere where it's sunshiny so y'all can actually see how good it is. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish waxing the entire car and y'all will see the results here in like 2 seconds. And what is going on, guys? I actually got done waxing my car a little while ago, but I had some stuff to do and some errands to run. But I've been driving my car around for probably the last 3 hours or so. But enough of me talking, here is my car. And you can just see that there is like no swirls or anything. It's almost like a mirror quality, honestly. Just look at that. It is just really, really good. I'm very glad that I waxed my car today, but you can just see the entire car. It just looks phenomenal. Like you can see right back here, it just looks like a mirror right off here. This wax really did do a good job, and I would definitely recommend it for anyone looking for a very good finish after waxing your car. And even the back of my car looks really good too, so James from Online Car Show, you will have something pretty to look at when we drag race. Like, I know I keep showing the hood, but look at how reflective that is. It really did come out beyond my expectations. I'm sorry, I had to sit down in here. The wind was too much out there. I'm sure you can hear it clear as day on the GoPro, but I'll find out when I go to edit it later tonight. But like I was saying, even in here, you can see that mirror quality just off the hood, how it's super reflective. So I'm definitely not let down by this wax at all. I would definitely give this wax good reviews. It dried quickly. It wasn't hard to get off, wasn't hard to apply. So it was really good all around liquid wax. But one more thing before this video is done. If you didn't catch last video, I actually called out another YouTuber. I actually just made a little reference to him, Online Car Shows. His name is James, but he has a 2018 Camaro SS 1LE. Me and him are going to be drag racing soon. It'll be about a month to 2 months away, and honestly, I'm really looking forward to it. I mean, my car, I do have long tube headers, I have intake. Maybe I'll have a tune by then, maybe not, I'm not sure. But besides that, there is nothing really done to my car. His car is the same thing. I know he has like an axle back or something like that, so there's nothing much done to his car either. So I'm looking forward to see who's going to win. I mean, his car has like 455 flywheel horsepower. Mine has 412. I mean, there's a big difference there, but one huge thing is his is a manual and mine is an automatic. So I'm going to shift quicker, and on top of that, he just bought his car, so he's not entirely used to it yet, but he used to own a Corvette, so I'm sure he knows how to race just fine. But guys, that will be it for today's video. If you did enjoy this video, please like it, please subscribe, and as always, have a great day.